Hey everyone! Today we are making a delicious weekend combo beginning with a soup. For more interesting videos like these on cooking, subscribe to our channel. The veggies smell and look really good. Blend it really well to avoid wastage when you strain it. If you enjoy watching our recipes, go ahead and leave a comment and hit the like button. For the coleslaw sandwich, we will grate some carrots, cucumber and onions to begin with. A coleslaw is incomplete without some finely chopped cabbage. Keep watching to know how to make some fabulous McDonald's fries to go with the coleslaw sandwich and the soup. Before you want to put your coleslaw on your bread and enjoy it, we would recommend that you refrigerate it for at least 2 hours. Our McDonald's fries are out of the freezer and now ready to be dried before they are fried. Don't go away yet. The fries are not ready. We still have to refrigerate them once more to get the crispy McDonald's style fries. Serve your McDonald's style fries with some salt or pepper as you may like. And subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below for some more tasty homemade weekend combos.